Market was going upper side direction, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily, you need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls. Through these calls you will get entry point, target and stop loss. Through these entries you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today it's a Tuesday market, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, October 22 we are watching. After 9:30 am a breakout happened in the upper side direction, so buy call, green color candle open. Like this, whenever the breakout happen in live market, it will give the calls like a signal, and it's a chart only, so you can change script and watch the signal also, like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil, like that also you can change and watch. And today in Bank Nifty future, the buy call came at 52,176. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above lines are target line, below line is the stop loss line. So the first target is 52,306. So from 176 to 306. So that is our entry to target. After 20 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this, call generated and break out the target. It heavy volatile only after entry, but still it market was moving in bullish direction and break out the target. Weekly expiry 52,300 call option we are watching. The buy call came at buy at 132 and the market move all the way to 180, 190 in this option chart. And like this you can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money option. Like this you can change and watch also. If you want chart plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.